In Act 4, Scene 1 of Hamlet by William Shakespeare, the scene unfolds in a hall where Rosencrantz and Guildenstern meet with Queen Gertrude and King Claudius. The king is eager to understand the source of Gertrude's distress, hence he asks Rosencrantz and Guildenstern to leave to have a more private conversation. Once alone with Gertrude, Claudius inquires into the matter, prompting Gertrude to disclose the harrowing events she has just encountered. She vividly describes how Hamlet, in a state that can only be described as complete madness, has killed Polonius, mistaking him for someone else while he was hiding behind the arras in her chamber. Gertrude's account clearly alarms Claudius, who immediately ponders the danger Hamlet now represents to everyone around him. He muses on the irony of how his love and affection for Hamlet have prevented him from taking decisive action against Hamlet's increasingly unpredictable behavior. Claudius metaphorically describes Hamlet as a disease that is sapping the essence of life from his surroundings. Recognizing the gravity of the situation, Claudius quickly moves to action. He calls Rosencrantz and Guildenstern back into the room and gives them a new task: to find Hamlet and ensure the proper handling of Polonius's body by taking it to the chapel. As they rush off to comply, Claudius confides in Gertrude that the time has come to deal with Hamlet more publicly. He expresses his intention to convene a council to share the truth of Hamlet's deeds and to deliberate on the most fitting way to address Hamlet's dangerous behaviors, implicitly understanding that they can no longer keep Hamlet's actions hidden or leave them unaddressed. This scene sets in motion the plot's further complications, showcasing the increasing tension and the impending decisions that must be made about Hamlet's fate, underlining the tragic trajectory the play is set to follow. Thanks for watching this Bookly Crash Course video. Please smash that like button, hit subscribe, and Jeffrey Epstein didn't kill himself.